What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. It's currently um, 4 minutes past midnight on Friday, the 9th of June 2023. You'll notice that I sound a little bit different this time. That's because I'm not actually in my normal environment. So I'm not actually with my mic right now. I'm recording on my headphones. But we can deal with it this time round. You can see that we traded aggressively higher today, as unexpected. I can't lie, these markets have been driving me insane. Um, Hopefully next week it'll be a little bit more clean, especially with the FOMC announcements, etc. But yeah, today's been absolutely crazy. So you can see we traded aggressively higher, but if I go to the weekly, you can see that we're clearly reaching towards something and we've taken out some buy side liquidity. So I'm going to mark this all out now. We've taken out this high, which would be buy side liquidity. And then you can see that we're traded into this bearish order block here. We haven't actually touched it yet, but we're about to. So I'm going to mark that out and just call that negative OB for bearish order block. And then I've also got my eyes on the consequent encroachment of that order block, which would be the midpoint. So these are the targets I'm expecting us to be trading to, especially when we've rushed up high like this. I'm expecting to find resistance within this order block. 25996. I am going to keep this one short because, like I said, I'm not actually in my normal environment, so I can't be here talking too long, and also my mic isn't the best, so it's best I just keep this one short and sweet. But I hope everyone's doing good. I do want my text to be black. And then when we drop down to the daily, we can start to see where these levels are. So you can see that the mean threshold is the top of this fair value gap. So it'd be nice to see if price manages to reach into that tomorrow, on Friday that is. And then on the 4 hour, you can see that there's another bearish order block here and a breaker here. Swing high, swing high, swing low. So I am gonna draw out this swing low because that would be the breaker candle. And we'll make that red because I'd expect that to cause a bearish reaction once you trade into that. But yeah, this I really was not anticipating such a strong move up, to be honest. We will have a quick look at dollar as well, because you'll see that dollar moves quite aggressively lower as well, breaking market structure, so that'll be interesting to see. But yeah, it's been a crazy week, to be honest. But like I said, with the current market environments, us being in this clear consolidation, I can imagine that once interest rates are out next week with FOMC, etc., we'll probably be in a trending environment again. I'm expecting some kind of large expansion, and then we can start to look for future targets more clearly, hopefully. So dollar, if we go on the daily, you'll see that dollar had a massive down day, which is explaining why we had so much bullish action on pound. Broke structure here, so now we should be looking, realistically we should start looking for south side liquidity, but with it being Friday tomorrow, I don't want to say too much. But this move, absolutely incredible. Like, clearly ran down, took out sell stops here. I'd expect a very small retracement before running lower. I've got my eyes on this swing low, so I'll mark that out as south side liquidity. But obviously, with it being Friday tomorrow, I don't want to say too much. Although last Friday, I do remember doing the same thing, and it was mental. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a pickle, really. We're all learning here. So if we go to the daily, let's see if we can see any low time discount PD arrays. Obviously, we've got this order block which we've traded into, and then we've got this swing low here. That will be south side, and we've got this imbalance here. This is a real volume imbalance because no trading has been taking place here, so we want to see price trade into this. So this is what I've got my eyes on for Friday. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to say too much. Like I said, this week's been incredible. I'll be obviously reviewing it on Sunday as always, And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on Sunday with a weekly review. And hopefully we can start this next week fresh with some new PDA arrays in mind, some new targets, and hopefully it's a lot more of a smoother week. A lot more of a smoother week than we had this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.